Today we're gonna learn how to replace the battery of tire pressure sensors in the cars. We need to open the right hand side semi-transparent cap to reach the battery. You need to open this carefully and you need to remove this part out where the battery is located, and then take this out and find the same number and place it here. Place it back. And that's all you need to do. So guys, let's try the batteries. We changed for 2 sensors already. That will work or not. You go to the tire pressure system, press the cell till you hear the sound. That means your tire learning system is active. And this is the one of the sensor. I changed the battery. Let's try. It worked. And then when you are sure the battery is okay and it's registering to the car, then you can go to the tire shop, or for yourself, if you have the devices, you can change the tire pressure sensors. While registering, you need to start from the front left to go through the front right, then the back rear right, and you need to follow with the rear left tire. So the 4 sensors must be registered to system to drive the car safely with readable data.